Hello everyone, welcome to GRE question of the day. Today we will discuss a question on triangles. As you can see, our today's question is a quantitative comparison question wherein we are given a quadrilateral ABCD such that triangle DAB is a right angled triangle. Next, we are given two quantities A and B such that quantity A is equal to AB square plus AD square while quantity B is equal to AC square. Next, we are asked to determine if A is greater than B, that is option 1, or if B is greater than A, that is option 2, or if A is equal to B, that is option 3, or if the relationship between A and B cannot be determined from the given information. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I am here to help you out. Before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is option 4. That is, the relationship cannot be determined from the given information. Now let us see how we arrived at this particular answer. As you can see, triangle DAB is a right angle triangle, and hence from Pythagoras theorem we have AB square plus AD square is equal to BD square. Thus, quantity A can also be written as BD square. Now, there is no other method to determine the possible relationship between BD and AC. Though in the figure it may look that AC is slightly longer than BD, however, one should remember that the figures in GRE exam are not drawn to scale. Hence, there is no information given to determine if A is greater than B or if it is equal to B or less than B. And hence, we can successfully conclude that the relationship cannot be determined. That is option 4. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.